All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the data menu. So we can get data from a file, database, Azure, from online service, from other sources, combine queries, launch Power Query Editor, data source settings, and query options, from text, CSV, from web, from table range, recent sources, and existing connections. Okay, we can refresh all queries and connections, properties, edit links, and then data types. So we have stocks, geography, sort and filter. So A to Z, Z to A, sort, advanced, filter. Data tools, we have data, manage data model, consolidate, flash fill, remove duplicates, data validation, and then text to columns. Forecast, what if, analysis, forecast sheet, and then outline. So subtotal, ungroup, and then group. Okay, so that's data. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.